817. I'm working on Maxi Pad there. The Maxi Pad, Mad Duck Radio. You see, I will post them up on the YouTube. 817. 817. Working my Max on Maxi Pad MCB30 on the 2 pill. Take care. 81715 with the second week gone. Aloha. Take care, 817. I'm gonna bump it down one more time. And wave the shaka right back to you. 817, 817, round Texas. 15 mini grass. 15 mini grass working my Maxi Pad radio. I'm gone. Aloha. Bye 817, bye 817. Oh man, Fuji, 15 mini grass gone. Aloha. Worldwide 15, worldwide 15, worldwide 15 mini grass. Aloha.
Job well done. 15 mini girls. 104 of the James boys got down.
104 the James boys, aka Old Man Fuji 817, showing up live on the garden. 15 it is Maxi Pad radio and my roadkill 2 pill. I'm gone. Bye bye bye. For the James boys, congratulations, my brother, he get in there. 104 the James boys, aka 817 in Big D Dallas. 15 with the Shaka wave, working Mother Nature. I'm gone. Aloha.
Going for you, brother thing. 817, 104, James boys, 15 in the grass is gone.
Back side, front side, middle side, top side, bottom side. 15 mini grass, come on.